Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can disable your Titan signers from being able to upload their own signature as a file to your document. So let me show you what this looks like before you disable this. Whenever they go to sign their document, they can click new signature and then drop an image of their signature here. And you may want to disable this and not let this be a option for your signers. And let me show you how you can disable that. So from your Titan Sign Builder, you will click on the signature field. Make sure that it is a signature field by looking at the type here. And then you're able to choose Disable File Upload. So now let's click Save, and we will generate this again from Salesforce. And this is going to the account email and then the account owner as our two different signers. Now let's go and get our new template to sign. So here is the one that was just sent to me. I can click here. And now when I try to upload my signature, that is not an option. So I'm only able to either generate by name by typing in my name, or of course I can sign as well, like that. So if that's something that you want to disable for your signers, then that is how it's done. And thank you for watching. I hope this helped.